about 4 feet tall. Good Cook at the bottom, John Cook at the top. John Cook's the only non-officer I know about who served in 2 different branches of the U.S. military. During the Civil War, he served first in the Army and second in the Navy. He was at the Battle of Antietam and earned the Medal of Honor. The unknown soldiers guarded 24 hours a day, 365 days a year by the 3rd U.S. Infantry Unit. That's the oldest active duty unit in the U.S. military today, called the Old Guard, established in 1782. Years after the signing of the U.S. Declaration of Independence, and a years before the ratification of the U.S. Constitution. On the driver's side, standing against the line of trees is a nurse's monument, depicting a nurse in World War I garb. She's overlooking Section 21, the nurses section. The nurses from the Spanish American and later wars. On the passenger side, ahead of us are rows only 5 feet apart. That's because there are no remains beneath them. Those are memorial markers. Such cases as with remains are never recovered, or they were scattered up to sea at the request of the deceased family. Memorial sections are lettered in set numbers. This is section J. Might check out the graveside President Kennedy and his family. President Kennedy's brother Joseph was lost during World War II, and thus the top of his marker indicates the memorial marker and the phrase is memorial. 100 yards ahead of us is a wide white building, the memorial amphitheater. To the unknown soldier, we'll want to see the change in the guard ceremony at the top and the bottom of the hour on the front of the amphitheater. Driver Carol, giving you his time, here in time to see after 2/3 of the current change in guard ceremony, and there are many other things in the area to see. If you'd like to see the entirety, see the grave of Whitey Murphy, just a few yards from us, one of the most highly decorated person in U.S. military history. Also, the tomb is on the front of the amphitheater. That's the right side if you're looking toward the amphitheater now. At the top steps near the tomb, exhibit room about the unknowns. You could browse there if you'd like to see the entirety of the